Friends, if you are a blogger, content creator or a music producer, you do need a great phone with great camera facility. What could help you to enrich the viewers and the subscriber? So simply I will state, go to the mobile I am going to reviewing. Now I am not gonna tell the name of this mobile. Let me show some demo from this mobile, the picture and the video I have captured from it. Just hold on for a moment. Okay, this is the 4K quality video which I have captured. The selfie video. Producer, you do need a great selfie camera which could record 4K quality video. So I think this is the best selfie camera phone you could have chosen. So let's check out the video and the review of this phone, especially the cameras. Let's see. And now I am going to take you some of the photographs which I have taken from this phone. Let's check out the photographs. Now I'll show you the night selfie mode photo which I have taken right now. You could say it's crystal clear, it's very bright, and it has got two spotlight, flashlight from here. So now I am talking about this mobile. This is a VIVO phone. And its cellular technology is 5G. Its cellular technology is 5G. Its model name is VIVO V21 5G. It's a neon spark phone. It got 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. So basically its screen size is 16.65 cm. Its operating system is OS Android 11.1 best resolution, best fun touch OS 11.1. This is best for 44 MP OIS night selfie. It's spotlight selfie, actually it's 64 MP OIS. This is the best OIS phone in the market right now. It gives you 30 fps 4K quality video, which is great for shooting video for blogging or content creating. You could get 7.3mm ultra slim matte glass design, and its RAM also can be extended. So its flash charge is 33 watt and the battery life is 4000 mAh lithium ion battery. Magnificent. And you could get AMOLED display from it. So it's a full AMOLED HD screen, and you would get 1 year warranty. The quality you will get, it's magnificent. And the VIVO V21 smartphone comes with 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 2 megapixel rear camera, and 44 megapixel 4K quality front camera with dual SIM facility. So its refresh rate is 90 Hz. It is close to 750G Snapdragon, but this is octa-core processor. It's fantastic. It's close to Snapdragon. Now I will discuss what is in the box, that is unboxing. I have already unboxed. In the box you will get a headset, like VIVO headset, earphone. This is VIVO earphone. Now I am showing you the charger. So this is the charger, C-type charger. Then a dongle, you could say, a adapter. Then warranty card you could see, and a great packet. It looks great, VIVO packet, in which the mobile came to me. So its weight is 170G. It's a fast selfie camera. OIS fascinating mobile and makes it selfie unique. Its selfie you have seen, which is great. Now I will answer few queries. What sort of things you could get from this mobile and why this is best for the blogging. Normally a few questions could have come to some bloggers' mind, some content creators' mind, that we need a mobile whose side mounted fingerprint. Yes, this mobile could give you a side mounted fingerprint. Does it got a selfie flashlight? Yes, it has got a selfie flashlight. And the very important question is security patch and Android updates for future is possible in this mobile, which is very great. And it's got 3 slots in this phone. Yes, absolute zoom capacity of around 10x. Yes. So, and the screen recording system is there in this mobile. The battery backup is there for 2 days. Expanded memory card slot is also there. viewers, you could understand the facility from this mobile. And the 4 fingerprint, you could get the phone fingerprint from it. This mobile is waterproof. No, this is not properly a waterproof mobile. This is partially waterproof mobile. Is it a Gorilla Glass or not? Yes, absolutely Gorilla Glass with 2.5D curved glass. Does this phone has slow motion video? Yes, absolutely it does. Does it support cooling system? Yes, it does support cooling system. How expandable RAM work? 3 GB expandable random access memory work. Does it have 4K video recording? You have already seen the 4K video which I have recorded and I have shown to you. Does it come with IP68 rating? Yes. Does it have SD card slot or hybrid slot? Hybrid slot is there. Alexa is inbuilt in this mobile. Does it have gimbal stabilization? No, OIS is there, so you don't need any gimbal stabilization. How many bands of 5G are there? That is 6 bands. Does it support 250 GB SD card? Yes, absolutely. It does support 250 GB SD card. Can you port NFC? Yes. Does it Snapdragon processor? No, it is close to Snapdragon, but it is octa-core. So friends, this is it. Just go to the shop and purchase this beautiful mobile, that is VIVO V21. I think your aim could have been fulfilled by this mobile. So like the channel and keep subscribing. Thank you.